Hello and welcome to the 30 Projects in 30 Days JavaScript course. In this amazing course, you'll learn JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and build 30 exciting projects in just 30 days. This course is designed specifically for those who want to progress from beginner to advanced in JavaScript and get ready for real-world projects. The price of this course with a 78% discount from Udemy is around €10. But, here's the amazing news, I'm giving you this course completely free. Yes, you heard it right. You can access all the content and projects without paying a single cent. What are you waiting for? Join us now and take advantage of this incredible opportunity. This course offers over 18 hours of practical training, and upon completion, you'll also receive an official Udemy certificate. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any other search engine you use. From the search results, click on the link to access the site. To ensure you're directed to the correct page, make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly as shown in the search bar. Double-check that the link is typed correctly, and then click on it to be redirected to the desired page. On the main page of gotodiscounts.com, you can find the latest Udemy courses offered with the best special discount coupons and take advantage of amazing deals. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the course link. The course page will open for you, and you can view the course details here. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to pay attention to the expiration date to be able to access the discount coupon for this course. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. Look what happened. I was able to grab this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. But this discount is not permanent. You only have 4 days left to grab this course for free. So hurry up. Don't miss this chance, it might never come around again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create even more amazing content for you. Looking forward to more exciting videos? Then hit that bell so you never miss out. Until next time, goodbye and stay awesome.